I was a panel beater for Nationwide, and that was my past history, and I studied in college as a mechanic, but engineering was more for me. So my role as goods in inspector, when we have the material come in for a job, I basically check that it's true to the dimensions that we've given the supplier and make sure it's true to the drawing and if it's got all of the certificates to go along with the material. The company has invested in me a lot because as a female and the new goods in inspector role, they've taken time to train me and put trust in me. And as a female, I've got to keep up with the boys and make sure that they keep the respect with me and that we've got everything up to date and up to plan. So they've put a lot of time and trust into me. The company makes me feel quite like that I can do it, quite self-sufficient in myself, that they've given me the time and the patience and they've given me the trust that I can just take my time to make sure everything is correct, and they've given me a lot of self-hope in myself that I can go far in this company.